Hold up, do you see that? That gooey middle layer isn't mozzarella, and it changes everything. I'm telling you, Asiago and lasagna is the flavor plot twist no one warned you about. Want to know the secret move? Click the link below to get 20 free lasagna recipe, don't skip it. Alright, let's break it down. You've got the usual suspects. Lasagna noodles, tomato sauce, a creamy bechamel that could get you proposed to, and then this guy right here. Asiago. Salty, nutty, bold, and honestly the reason this recipe has trust issues with basic mozzarella. We're not measuring today, we're vibing, but everything's listed out for you. Links in the description. Don't forget the basil. Never forget the basil. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is that it? Oh no. I'm keeping one power move off camera. It's the game changer. You'll find it only in the full recipe. Yep, it's down below. Layer time. Start with bechamel. It's the soft launch. Then pasta. Then sauce. Then cheese. Then boom. Asiago like a surprise guest who steals the whole party. Are you enjoying this video? Click the link in bio to get 20 free lasagna recipes. Part of the mistakes people make? Crispy lasagna that crunches like chips? Nope. Don't do that. Here's how to not mess it up. Cover it with foil for the first 30. Let it rest at least 10 minutes before you slice it. Seriously, it needs its beauty sleep. And if you're still skipping the Asiago blend, I can't help you. This is the moment. Golden top, bubbling cheese, a slice so perfect it stretches like it's trying to hug you. Just look at those layers. You deserve this. Grab the recipe, get that secret step. Win dinner tonight. Blog links below, go get it.